Hungary welcomed its first group of Chinese tourists at the Budapest airport on Sunday, after a 3-year hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The group of 22 tourists, scheduled for a 9-day stay in Hungary, was greeted by officials from the Hungarian Tourism Agency and the Budapest airport upon their arrival. In recent years, Hungary has seen a steady increase of Chinese tourists who are drawn to the country's rich history, cultural landmarks, and natural beauty. The Hungarian government has made a concerted effort to boost tourism by introducing a range of initiatives for Chinese nationals and promotional campaigns in China. In the past 2 months, many Chinese travel agencies have been actively developing new travel products for tours that focus on Hungary.